Web developer tools you need to know. Tools and resources that help us in easing our process. Here's the list of the top resources for developers to help you. 1. Figma Community. Bring designs to life with icons, illustrations, animations, and more. As you might know, Figma is a tool to design mockups and UI/UX. It has a community that includes awesome mockups designed for web and mobile. 2. readme.so. Our simple editor allows you to quickly add and customize all the sections you need for your project's README. An awesome tool to create README for your projects. There's already created templates for various sections such as title, description, badges, contributors, and many more. 3. CodePen. CodePen is a social development environment for front-end designers and developers. Build and deploy a website, show off your work, build test cases to learn and debug, and find inspiration. CodePen is an online editor for web development. 4. PageSpeed Insights. Make your web pages fast on all devices. PageSpeed provides useful insights regarding the loading speed of a website. You can improve your web page's speed by working on these parameters. 5. Wapalizer. Find out the technology stack of any website. Wapalizer is an awesome tool to find the tech stack of a website. You can do it through various mediums such as browser extensions and APIs. 6. Small dev tools. Free tools for developers like encoder decoder, HTML CSS JavaScript formatters, minifiers, fake or test data generators and much more. Small dev tools have a list of various tools that are used while developing and testing programs. Specifically, they have 28 tools on their website. These tools are small by code but can be quite useful. 7. CodeMyUI. Handpicked collection of web design and UI inspiration with code snippets. GIF preview HTML CSS copy-paste code. CodeMyUI is a snippet website for web development. 8. Saas Lang. CSS with superpowers. Saas is the most mature, stable, and powerful professional-grade CSS extension language in the world. Saas is a preprocessor that extends the capabilities of CSS. 9. StackEdit. Full-featured, open-source Markdown editor based on PageDown, the Markdown library used by Stack Overflow and the other Stack Exchange sites. StackEdit is a rich Markdown editor. It has a toolbar to add Markdown with the clip. 10. Website speed test. Find the loading speed of your website. Website speed test is a tool by KeyCDN. It can run the test from 10 different locations. In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.